welcome back to my channel. If you are looking for ideas on how to decorate your master bathroom or create a place to just relax in your house while we're all stuck at home, then I hope you get some inspiration from today's video. This is what our master bathroom currently looks like, and we are going to give it a little refresh. At the beginning of any project, I like to take as many things as possible out of the room or space just so I can get an idea of exactly what I'm working with. The day before I was going to work in this bathroom, I went ahead and filled in all the holes in the walls. I also had my husband hang this up while he was handy. I recommend if you have any DIY projects that you're wanting to do, that you do those like the day before or any time in advance of you redecorating a room. Like I wanted to make this planter, so I spray painted the stool the day before so that it would be dry and I could just bring it into the room the next day. All this is just a basket and some tie straps and a stool put together. So yesterday I filled up those holes, so I'm gonna sand down a couple of them. I've already done a couple. Thought I'd spare you this time. I didn't knock any big holes in the wall. Making progress in my construction skills. This shelf is just a picture lead shelf from IKEA. I think they're like 10 bucks. I've had this thing for a long time and it still, I migrated it from room to room. I've actually migrated it from house to house. And it's still going strong, so I recommend them for just like a cheap little shelf. And also I did want to mention, last time my husband got out like the big 5-gallon thing of paint that we have from whenever they built this house, I had him put me some in a jar so that whenever I'm working on these little projects, I can just pull this jar out, shake it up real good, and touch up all of the areas, all the holes that I'm making everywhere. But I highly recommend, if you have flat paint, first of all, don't have flat paint. Second of all, just keep a little bit in a jar so you can clean it up, because you're more likely to do that if you don't have to haul out a 5-gallon thing and stir it up real good. This has saved me so many times. Now that I'm done with all of the sanding and the painting, I'm gonna do a quick cleanup of everything. Right now, I'm just cleaning with some like Lysol wipe type things and water, because I scrub all this once a week, but today's not that day, thankfully, so. This clip that's coming up is what it's like to actually decorate as a mother, but times it like 15 every 10 minutes.
And then the teeth do the work.
They do?
Yeah.
Does it hurt?
No. Break the teeth, break it apart so I can eat it easier.
Mm. Notice the rug. I found a place for it. And they've multiplied since the last bathroom. I wanted to show this because it's part of the process of actually like figuring out how you want everything. Like this is so cute. She's really cute, but I can hear my husband now whenever he's like, do you want me to climb over this tree to get in and out the shower? Like, it's just not gonna really work out. She's gonna go somewhere, just not right here. Our bathroom has this weird little It's like you walk in at an angle like this. So we've got this weird cutout here that kind of makes this whole space kind of useless because you can't put anything right here because the door will block it. But I'm gonna try it here. It sticks out just a little bit, but I'm gonna try putting our hamper there. So it may not even stay in our bathroom at all, we'll see. See all the rugs? Told you they multiplied. So I'm gonna put these everywhere in here. These are the items that I pulled out to decorate the shelf with above the tub. I got this thrifting. These are from Hobby Lobby, Target, and then that's from Target as well. So I like to start with the biggest piece and kind of fill in around there. She is upside down. So put that in first and then and then I like to step back and kind of assess how I feel about it. Like, I already know I don't like that. Obviously, if I ever burn that candle, I'll move it away from all this stuff. So I'm not gonna lie, I wanted this bathtub tray for a long time. And I kept thinking, that's so not necessary, which it's not necessary at all. Not necessary at all. But I saw this one on sale on Amazon. So I was like, yes. So I ordered it and it came literally today. I have never had one before. So like, it's just an automatic spa with this. It's like a Happy Meal toy for me. Good. I got this little shelf today at Target. It was in the kitchen section, but I'm gonna use it in my tub. All that stuff that's just not cute, I'm gonna put back here. So I think on the top shelf, I'm just gonna put one of my favorite candles, Vanilla Kiss from Belux. I'll leave it linked down below. It's all natural and it smells super good. And then in this, I'm gonna put my favorite bath bombs. They're from Young Living. This is how it turned out. I've got all of my regular use everyday stuff down here and then my like fun stuff up there. Over here, I'm gonna set out some candles just to kind of show like how I would bougie it up a little bit. But I'm gonna put it all in a basket once I'm done showing you so that I can just have like a little spa night basket and pull out whenever I'm gonna do that because I don't want to leave that stuff out all the time because then I have to clean it.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know one single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real.
This is actually a plant stand from IKEA, but I'm gonna use it for my towels because we don't have anywhere to put towels inside of our bathroom.
It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh.
I feel sorry for him because I had him rehang the shelf like 3 different times. I was starting to get on my own nerves at that point.
When you don't have to, there's so much that I'm still keeping to myself. 'Cause you don't live.
This from Target. I don't think I would recommend this. It's kind of junky feeling.
When I see you, my
Yes, I know the bottom of the shelf touches the outlet cover. It drives me crazy too, but we're rolling with it.
Waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's
I used to be somebody who thought it was ridiculous to have all this decorative stuff on your sink because I'm thinking you just have to clean more stuff. But this has made me happy every time I walk in my bathroom. And this is how everything has kind of transformed. I really love how it turned out. And I think that is going to wrap up our master bathroom makeover. Let me know in the comments below if you're a bath person or not. I know some people are a little about it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, I would love to have you. And we will see you next week. I hope you have a good one. Bye.
When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time.